skills here. So this week we're going to be starting a new unit, and we're going to be going through throwing, catching, rolling, tossing, and all of those different skills. So this week we're going to focus on rolling. So in the Learn It section, you get a couple of videos that are going to take you through the cues and how to do an underhand roll. There's also going to be pictures. In the Practice It, there's a couple of challenges. One of them is more of a game activity challenge. The other one is a creation challenge where you're creating your own mini course to kind of do a bowling or a roll through. You can also see if you can find somebody to play with you at home and see who can score the highest. In the Prove It section, you're going to have a quick Google form that talks about some of the cues, wants to show what you know, as well as a Padlet that you can share your creation of your mini course. And make sure to check in on Friday to see what other people have created, because you could try using one of their courses. Good luck.